It's Cao Lầu.
Yeah.
Yeah, special food in Hội An. With some this Cao Lầu vegetable, yeah, coconut ball, so yeah.
Ooh. I got all of it.
Yeah.
Nice. Hold on.
Yeah, and half of all the
The new.
Cao Lầu to the half bowl.
Okay.
Now you arrange all the vegetable in the one side and the noodle one side.
Got it. So half and half.
Yeah, half and half. Your phone camera very beautiful.
Is it? You see?
I when I compare the phone here, I say, oh, your phone. Oh. Special food Cao Lầu in Hội An.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yeah. You now you become a cheap cook already.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a Vietnamese chef.
Vietnamese chef.
Honestly, this sounds great. Okay, nice.
Mm.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay. The tofu's hiding. Nice.
Yeah. All the one put all to the dish. Some yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do
Put
you
all,
want to-
yeah. Put in your bowl.
Oh, okay.
And, yeah.
Cool. I struggle. Okay.
Yeah.